Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure for us to present Mr. Mohammad Ajari's work named DIMATBIS, which is a didactic visualization of mathematics. Mr. Ajari was born in Iran on October 13, 1940. He is an electronics engineer from Polytechnical Industrial University of Tehran and has a postgraduate degree in different areas in Bolivia. In the education sector, he has worked as creator, founder, and professor at different institutions in technical education. He is the co-founder and creator of UTEPSA, Universidad Tecnológica Privada de Santa Cruz. And finally, he is the creator of the DIMAT method in 2002 and the DIMATBIS method since 2006 in Santa Cruz, Bolivia. This work, has been presented nationally and internationally in different congresses and conventions. Well, without any further details, let's begin with Mr. Mohammad Ajari's presentation of the DIMATBIS.
Okay, thank you very much. Good afternoon. My mother language is Persian and my second language is Spanish, but I try to explain in English. In mathematics, we have three concepts: arithmetic, geometric, and algebra. What is arithmetic? Arithmetic is the science of the numeric quantities, whole and fraction, positive or negative. It's expressed by the coefficient. For example, all the numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, and positive and negative. If we use a letter, same as X, any letter has a coefficient and exponent. All the time, arithmetic takes place in coefficient. 0x is 0, 1x, 2, etc. What is the operation of arithmetic? The operation of arithmetic is only addition and subtraction, like this. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal 6. We have geometric here. What is the geometric? Geometric is the science of the dimensional quantities which form figures, whole or fraction, positive or negative. It's expressed by the exponent. Yeah? For example, here we have a point expressed with exponent is 0 exponent, and line 1 dimension, and x square, 2 dimension square, 3 dimension cube, etc. What is the operation of the geometric? The operation of the geometric is multiplication and division. For example, 2 by 2 is 4. 1 by 2 by 3 is 6. Another thing is there is difference between 2a by b or 2b by a. I will show this and this different to you. But before we can see two different things. The 0, two classes, the 0. We have a 0, arithmetic 0 here. The formula is 0x, and we have a geometric 0, x exponent 0. This is x exponent 0 is 1 point. Algebra, it is to generalize mathematics through a combination between arithmetic and geometric in a common base. For example, here we have x, yeah, here is the coefficient, arithmetic is take place here, quantities, and exponent is geometric, is here. This is the concept of algebra. And the x can have longitude or quantities, is the base. And here we have the elements of algebra that I show to you practically. Here we can see the difference between 2 plus 2 and 2 by 2. 2 plus 2 is arithmetic. Here is 2 plus 2. No? As a result, 4 is the line is the same line. But here 2 by 2 is geometric as a product. No, the result is the same, but the product is different. Here is a product, the new product is geometric. Right now I show to you the difference between 2AB or 2BA. No, AB, this is a rectangle, AB. Here, another AB. I show to you 2A, 1, 2, 2AB, this rectangle. And 2BA is this. No? The product is different, but the result is the same. Right now I show to you the elements of algebra. No? For example, 3x squared. No? This is a square, is not important. This line is x, 1, 2, and 3. This is 3x squared. Muy. And here we have 2x cubed. 2x cubed is 2 cubed. Not important the size. The size is x, long here. No? 2 cubed. And this is x squared y. X squared, this is x squared, this I, x squared by y. This is prism. And 2xy, 2xy, 2 rectangular, x, y, 1 and 2. 2 is quantity and xy geometry. And here x, y, z, we have something, 3 different dimensions. For example, x, y, and z. Right now I show to you the factorial. You know factorial, the 0 is 1, and the 1 is 1, and the 2 is 1 by 2, etc. How we can see this? The factorial of the 0 is 1, but is 1 point here. And factorial the 1 is 1 also is line, 1 line. And factorial 2 is 1 by 2, this rectangle. And factorial 3 is 1 by 2 by 3, 6. And also we can continuous to show factorial 4. Factorial 4 no, is 4 of this. This is this part is factorial 3, and 4 of this is factorial 4. With this method, we can show any of this formula, no? Say, same as identities, algebra, and factorization. No? But I will show to you the number 10. This formula I can to show, and is finally the result is x, y, z. Right now I will show to you this formula, this large formula. No, the result is x, y, z. But what is x, y, z? X, y, z. This is a volume with 3 different dimensions. For example, this is x, y, and z. No? Okay. Here I have 4 of x, y, z. No? But here it says that factorization from x x, no, here. So I cannot put here like this or something like this, no? It's not factorization. Factorization means all the same high, no? For example, here x, yeah, all is the same high, no? Okay, right now to show y plus z square. This is y plus z, here y plus z and y plus z. Okay, here says a square, this is a square, make a square. And minus, this minus, it means something take out. What is his size? His size is y minus z. That's this side, no? It's also a square, this is a square. Okay. From x to here is all this block. After here says minus 2xyz. It means take out 2 xyz, but here says 1/2. No, 1/2 is 1. No, one of this is xyz, and this is tangible and practical and your hand, mathematics in your hand. Right now, I show to you something new, no? Visualization of the exponent 4, 5, 6, etc. We know the exponent 0 is point, exponent 1 is a line, exponent 2 is a square, and 3 is cube. And exponent 4, I can write here 10 by 10 square. It means 10, no, and a cube. But this one means in line form, the form of it, a line. This is a prisma. And 10 and 5, exponent 5, we can write here 10 by 10 by 10 cube in 10 square by 10 cube. So this is a square is side of 10. Right now, 10 exponent 6. No? We can show 10 by 10 by 10, 10 exponent 3 by 10 exponent 3, no, from 3. This cube, no, this paper cube, 6. And the same form, we can show 10 and 7, like this, no, but from this cube, and 8 and 9.
Well, the time has run short, but if you want to learn more about this innovative methodology in algebra, logarithms, trigonometry, and calculus, you can visit the website www.saberespoder.com.bo. Thank you very much, Mr. Ajari.
Okay, thank you very much. If you have any question, I am ready to answer.